मुंबई में एक नई और बेहद शानदार जगह की शुरुआत हुई है, बेलमरोस। ये कोई आम रेस्टोरेंट नहीं है, बल्कि एक ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस है जो शाम के शांत डिनर से शुरू होकर रात की हाई एनर्जी पार्टी में बदल जाता है। ये खूबसूरत जगह मुंबई के सहारा स्टार होटल की 6th फ्लोर पर बनी है, जहां आपको यूरोप जैसा माहौल महसूस होगा। बेलमरोस में बेलमरोस को इस तरह डिजाइन किया गया है कि आपको लगे जैसे आप पेरिस, फ्लोरेंस या बार्सिलोना की सड़कों पर बैठे हों। यहाँ की दीवारों पर आर्ट, लाइटिंग और पूरा एम्बियंस आपको एक अलग ही दुनिया में ले जाता है।
So basically, Belmaros being an international brand, the idea was to do global cuisine, but global cuisine with a story. So each dish, we've sort of, like they said, we have done European and Asian. So Eurasian is what we're looking at here. And it is, I think, we've cracked that bit with Eurasian cuisine where we are getting each dish with a story. So whether it is Asian or continental European, um, the idea is that it matches the brand Belmaros.
See, that is where we are trying to, differentiate. So, had it been it was a club, then definitely, it is not, a very highly focused on food. But we are looking at running lunch and dinner operations, which will give a very different dining experience. And post that, around about, let's say 10:30 to 11:30, we will transit into a high energy bar. So that's where the difference is. It's not that we'll be starting at, let's say, 10 o'clock and be a club till, let's say, 1:30 odd. We're going to be starting with dinner operations first and the nightclub, and eventually move into the lunch operations after some time. See, at Belmaros, what we are trying is we are trying a good influence of Asian with the European cuisine. Okay, so, prima facie with my travel across Thailand, where we have been managing hotels for J. Joshi Infra and also looking at properties in the Asian countries to open restaurants, and particularly my own restaurant in Pune called Mekong Folks. So we have got very in-depth knowledge about the Asian cuisine. So we wanted to bring that, cuisine, in a form where European and Asian can blend together. So this was an opportunity, where we decided that yes, this can be a platform to bring these two cultures together, because what is most trending today is Asian cuisine, but there are too many places which give only Asian. So the fusion, where we have traditional techniques, but in a contemporary way is still missing of these two cuisines. So that's where we saw the opportunity.
Thank you everyone for coming. Good evening everyone. I'm Nehit. So we'll talk about this brand and the hard work which has happened all across a year to create a brand like this here. So the support comes from J. Joshi Infra. Joshi is a group of companies, and they are based out of various countries now, Thailand, Spain, Johannesburg, and we have hospitality partners. I mean, they're coming all across from Far East. So the idea was to bring up Belmaros here in Mumbai, and we were looking for a space like this, which finally, thankful to Sahara, we got a place and we created a aura like this for Belmaros.
Congratulations to Mihir Srivastava for spearheading such a great initiative. I think this is a big upgrade to the Mumbai's nightlife. It was much awaited. I think Mumbai has been looking forward to such an experience from the Far East, and finally, Belmaros is here. So, been hearing a lot about it. I think the exquisite design, what I've been hearing about, is much to talk about home, and of course, the setup, the food, as well as the drinks. So, I'm looking forward to a fabulous evening and wishing the team all the best at Belmaros.
दारू पीता हूँ तो मेरे लिए जितने मर्जी खोल लो, मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। सो बट मुंबई एक ऐसा शहर है जहाँ पर जब इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड आते हैं तो इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड को मुझे लगता है कि गौरवान्वित महसूस करना चाहिए कि हिंदुस्तान के सबसे बड़े शहर में, हिंदुस्तान की मैं कहूँगा कि इकोनॉमिक जो कैपिटल है, वहाँ पर आके जब ये खुलते हैं तो इनके सक्सेसफुल होने के चांसेस उतने ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं, क्योंकि मुंबई से ज़्यादा वाइब्रेंट शहर कोई नहीं है और यहाँ के जितने लोग हैं उनसे ज़्यादा वाइब्रेंट लोग कोई नहीं है। सो ऑल दी बेस्ट टू द क्लब, एंड आई विश कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा चले और ऐसे और इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड मुंबई में आए। थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू।
Today is our launch day. I am general manager at Belmaros, so we'll just introduce ourselves first. Chef.
Hi, my name is Sunil Pandey, and I've joined Belmaros as an executive chef.
My name is Anand Iyer and I am the General Manager Operations taking care of Belmaros. So I guess you guys all have got a small sneak peek of what the restaurant looks like, what the ambience is. What we've tried to do is we've tried to recreate a European themed restaurant. So the whole restaurant is based upon a very rich culinary influence that basically turns on to a high energy bar post 11. So you have a mix of a great vibe along with a serene dining setting. So that's what Belmaros is in a small nutshell.